Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional DOP. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on AWS DOP is: what is AWS Code Artifact Domain and how does it enhance artifact management? Your answer should be AWS Code Artifact Domain is a logical grouping of repositories within Code Artifact, allowing you to share resources and policies across multiple repositories. It enhances artifact management by providing centralized governance, access control, and management of software artifacts. Our next interview question is: describe the use case for AWS backup in data protection and recovery. Your answer should be AWS Backup is a fully managed backup service that centralizes and automates data protection across AWS services. It allows you to back up data from services like Amazon EBS, Amazon RDS, Amazon DynamoDB, and AWS Storage Gateway, simplifying data recovery and compliance. Our next interview question is: how do you implement cross-account access and resource sharing in AWS environments? Your answer should be: cross-account access and resource sharing in AWS environments can be implemented using IAM rules and resource policies. IAM rules allows entities from one AWS account to access resources in another account, while resource policies control access to shared resources like S3 buckets and KMS keys. Our next interview question is: explain the benefits of using AWS Managed Services AMS in DevOps. Your answer should be AWS Managed Services AMS provides operational support and management of AWS infrastructure, freeing up resources to focus on application development and business innovation. It offers benefits such as reduced operational overhead, improved security and compliance, and faster time to market for applications. Our next interview question is: how do you secure containerized workloads in AWS environments? Your answer should be: containerized workloads in AWS environments can be secured using AWS services like Amazon ECR for secure container image storage, AWS Fargate for serverless container execution, AWS IAM for fine-grained access control, and AWS security groups for network security. Our next interview question is: describe the use case for AWS App Config Deployment Strategies. Your answer should be AWS App Config Deployment Strategies allow you to define how configuration changes are rolled out to applications. It supports deployment strategies like linear, canary, and all at once, enabling controlled and safe deployment of configuration changes with minimal impact on users. Our next interview question is: what are the benefits of using AWS organizations for managing multiple AWS accounts? Your answer should be AWS organizations simplifies the management of multiple AWS accounts by providing centralized management of policies, consolidated billing, and access control. It enables organizations to implement governance, compliance, and security based practices across their AWS accounts. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.